Today we will do another simplification problem. First, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 divided by 3 minus 1, 2. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. Here, the PEMDAS rule. In PEMDAS rule, the multiplication and division has same priority, and addition and subtraction also has same priority. Now we will do according to the PEMDAS rule. First, 3 divided by 3. 3 minus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 minus 1. Then we can do 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. It is the right answer. If you have different opinion, please comment.